Now we are going to be look at that. What's the match function? Match functions mean if you want to be get the numerical position for the list, we can use the match function. For an example, if you want to be get these small box blackberries price, we need to know that row number. If you want to get the row number, we can use the match functions, right? As well, for an example, if you want to be get the if I want to get that pineapple small box price, we need to know that row number. So the row number, if you want to know, we need to use the match functions. So now I'm going to be explain how to do the match functions. The same example I took, the selling price list for the product 2020, then product ID, small box price, and medium box price and large box price available. So if I want to be get that apple product numerical position in the list, we can use the match function. So how can we use it? It's very simple. First I need to put that equal sign, and I need to call the match function. So I need to type the match, start the bracket, and you can see that there are three parameters we need to be passed. These parameters are, it's look like Vlookup functions formula. So the first one is lookup value. What basis we are going to be search? We are going to be search, or we are going to be get the row number based on the apple. So I need to choose the apple is the lookup value, comma. Then lookup array. Where is this apple list available? You can choose. You can see here the product, under the product column, the apple names available. So I need to choose that product name, that is the lookup array, comma, is it exact match or lesser than or greater than? We need exact match because we need exactly what's the row, we need to know that. So I need to choose the exact match, then I'm going to be close the bracket, then enter. So you can see here apple is row number 1. If I type here banana, you can see the banana is second. Banana. Now you can see banana is second row. If I type mango, mango is 6th row. Mango. So the match function used for to get the numerical position in the list. It means that what's the row number or what's the column number, right?